Welcome to my channel. This is Ajay, and today we are exploring the beautiful Ekta Nagar, home to the majestic Statue of Unity, the tallest statue in the world. I shall also take you through some hidden gems like Miyawaki Forest, the Arogya one, and later we shall visit the divine Neelkanth Mahadev Mandir in Poicha. So stay tuned till the end. It's going to be peaceful, scenic, and spiritual ride through nature and culture. And don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe. Let's go. And guess what? I'm staying at a beautiful property just opposite to Ekta Nagar station, the fun Sardar Sarovar resort. As soon as you enter, the vibe here is super peaceful, the entrance is grand and welcoming. The reception area is beautiful design, very spacious, modern, and full of greenery around. The property is huge and well maintained, perfect for relaxing stay. Just look at how calm and scenic this place is. As per Indian tradition, I receive a warm welcome with garlands and tilak, such a lovely gesture. This resort is not just about comfort, it's packed with experiences. From a super spacious restaurant serving delicious meals to a well-equipped gym and a relaxing spa. Perfect after a long day of exploring. And the best part, it's just walking distance from Ekta Nagar station. Couldn't ask for a better location. Let's now explore more of what Ekta Nagar has to offer. So stay tuned with me and we'll explore. And now I've just boarded the free shuttle bus from Ekta Nagar station, and now I am heading straight towards the iconic Statue of Unity. The ride is smooth, well organized, and the best part is it's absolutely free. Can't wait to explore the world's tallest statue and everything around it. Let's go. And there it is, the world's tallest statue, the mighty Statue of Unity, standing tall and proud. Even from the bus, the view is just breathtaking. You can really feel the scale and grandeur as you get close. This is something you have to see in person. So I'm finally inside the premises after the entry and security check. And now I'm making my way towards the Statue of Unity. The surroundings are super clean and well organized, and there is an amazing vibe of patriotism and pride all around. With every step, the statue looks even more massive, and seriously, I can't wait to get right up close. So I've just entered the main building of the Statue of Unity, and trust me, the experience starts the moment you step inside. The entire space is incredibly well maintained. It honestly feels like walking into a museum in a foreign country. Clean, modern, and full of history. Right at the entrance, you're welcomed by the museum, and it's not just any museum. This place is packed with rich information about the life and legacy of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. From rare photos, letters, and speeches to detailed exhibit showing how he united India. Every corner here tells a powerful story, and just when you think that's all, there is also a dedicated theatre inside where you can sit back and watch a short documentary on Sardar Patel's inspiring journey. It's so beautifully made, you shall come out with a whole new level of respect from it. What's even more exciting is the elevator ride that takes you up inside the statue itself. Yes, you can actually go up and enjoy an incredible panoramic view from the chest level viewing gallery. It's surreal. The engineering, the scale, the view, everything is next level. Honestly, this place is not just a monument, it's a complete experience. If you are visiting Gujarat, this is an absolute must see, and I'm just getting started. And now, I'm finally at the chest viewing gallery of Statue of Unity. Around 135 meter high, the view from here is absolutely breathtaking. You can see the entire Sardar Sarovar Dam, the Narmada River, and lush greenery surrounding Ekta Nagar. Standing here inside the world's tallest statue, it's really lets you how grand and historic the place is. The gallery is spacious, well ventilated, and the glass panel gives you a clear panoramic view. It's like looking at the nature from the sky. It's truly one of those once in a lifetime experiences. And that's it from Statue of Unity. What an incredible experience. Now I am heading to my next stop, Arogya, which means Forest of Wellness. This place is all about health, healing, and nature. What's really interesting is that if you see it from the top, the entire layout is designed in a shape of a human body. Each section represents different organs and systems, showing how plants and herbs can support our health. It's not just beautiful, it's educational and peaceful too. Let's go and explore. Alright, so now we are at Arogya and make things easier, we have taken an electric car, super convenient, eco-friendly and perfect for exploring with friends as a group. Trust me, this place is huge and walking the entire stretch would take hours, so this is the best way to enjoy it without getting tired. As we begin our ride, we shall notice the atmosphere here is so peaceful, surrounded by lush greenery with the sound of birds and soft music in the background. Arogya is about promoting wellness and natural healing, and every section here is thoughtful design. There are various zones dedicated to different medicinal plants, Ayurvedic herbs and healing trees, from tulsi, neem and ashwagandha to rare species used in traditional Indian medicine. It's like nature's own pharmacy. What's amazing is that the entire park is laid out in the shape of human body when viewed from the top. Each zone corresponds to a part of body like lungs, heart, brain, etc. and showcases plants that support the organ's health. It's so creative and educational, and the signs along the path explain everything really well. Guys, just look at this area. This section represents the heart, and all the plants here are great for cardiovascular health, and it's that cool. We are all just having such a good time learning new things and most importantly breathing in a fresh, clean air. There is also a spot here where you can try herbal drinks and Ayurvedic teas, perfect for refreshing yourself mid-ride. We just had a tulsi based herbal tea and it was so soothing. This place is not just for adults, it's perfect for kids too. There are interactive boards, healing gardens, and even a wellness themed kids zone. They have really created a place where learning meets fun. So if you are coming to Statue of Unity, do not skip Arogya. Whether you are into nature, fitness, or just want to unwind, this place has something for everyone. Let's keep going. There is more to see, and the next stop is Miyawaki Forest. Stay with us. Welcome to one of the greenest corner of Ekta Nagar, the Miyawaki Forest, where nature grows smarter and faster. As we step in, we shall notice how unbelievably dense this forest looks. That's because it's growing using the Miyawaki method, a Japanese technique that plants native species super close together. The result, a mini jungle that matures 10 times faster and absorbs way more carbon than a conventional park. Just look at these layers, shrubs at the base, medium height trees in the middle, and tall canopy giants on top. Within only a few years, the place already feels like it has been here for decades. You can actually feel the drop in the temperature the moment you walk in. Nature's own air conditioner. We are following this wooden walkboard so we don't disturb the undergrowth. Along the way, you shall see the smart little signboards that tells you which tree supports local birds, butterflies, or even soil health. Perfect for kids and curious adults. Trust me, even my friends who aren't plant geeks are totally hooked. And now we are heading to the final stop of this amazing journey, the beautiful Neelkanth Mahadev temple located in Poicha. It's about an hour drive from Ekta Nagar, and trust me, it's totally worth the visit. This temple is not just a place of worship, it's a peaceful retreat for the mind and soul. The first thing you shall notice as you enter is the sheer calmness in the air. The surroundings are immaculately clean and the pathways are beautifully designed, and the temple complex is incredibly well maintained.
You are instantly greeted with devotional music playing softly in the background, creating the perfect atmosphere. The temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva, known for Neelkanth Mahadev, the one who drank poison to save the world during the Samudra Manthan. And the architecture, it's absolutely stunning. The carvings, the colorful sculpture, and the symmetry of the temple structure leave you mesmerized. The intricate details on the wall, the shikara, and the placement of different idols all reflect Sanatan Dharma's depth and richness. During the evening, as the sun begins to set and temple's light come on, the whole atmosphere turns magical. The sound of the bell, the chantings, and the lightning all together create a divine energy you can actually feel in your heart. And the most peaceful part of the temple, the riverfront. Just behind the main temple is the calm and sacred Narmada River flowing gently. You can take a boat ride here. It's short, simple, and incredibly soothing. Watching the sun reflect on the water with the temple in the background feels like a scene from a spiritual movie. That's it from my side, guys. Thanks for joining me and my friends on this journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more